Hello, my productive friends, and a huge welcome back to Mr. English Talks. It is so wonderful to have you here. Today, we're tackling a giant myth, a lie that our modern world has sold us. It's a lie that makes us feel busy, important, and productive, but in reality, it's secretly draining our energy, killing our focus, and making us less effective than ever. What is this lie? It's the belief that multitasking is a superpower. If you've ever been proud of your ability to answer emails during a meeting, watch a video while writing a report, or scroll through social media while talking to a friend, this video is for you. We are going to expose the truth and discover a far more powerful way to work. So let's dive in and discover why multitasking is the #1 enemy of your efficiency. I want you to picture a master chef in a busy kitchen. Imagine he's cooking 3 different complex dishes at once. He's chopping herbs for the pasta. Then he immediately turns to stir the soup. Then he runs to check the oven. Then he runs back to the herbs. He's running around. He looks incredibly busy. He's sweating. But what's happening? The herbs are half chopped. The soup isn't stirred consistently. And he almost burns the food in the oven. Now, imagine another chef. She focuses on one dish at a time. She gives the pasta her full undivided attention until it's perfectly done. Then, and only then, does she move to the soup. Her movements are calm, precise, and intentional. Which chef do you think produces higher quality food, faster, and with less stress? The answer is obvious. My friend, when we multitask, we are not master chefs. We are that first chef, running around, creating a mess, and producing mediocre results. It's time to step into the calm, focused energy of the second chef. So, what is really happening in your brain when you try to multitask? The first thing you need to understand is this: your brain cannot focus on 2 conscious tasks at the same time. It's biologically impossible. What you're actually doing is something called task switching. You're rapidly shifting your attention from one thing to another. And here's the killer. Every single time you switch, there's a cost. It's like a mental traffic jam. Let's say you're writing a report and you stop to check a text message. Your brain has to disengage from the report. Activate the rules for social communication and language for the text. Then it has to shut that down and re-engage with the report, remembering where you were and what you were thinking. This switching cost wastes time, and even worse, it increases the chances of errors. You might put the wrong data in your report or send a text with a silly typo. This constant switching is exhausting your brain and making you slower, not faster. But the damage doesn't stop there. Multitasking is killing the quality of your deep work. There are tasks in your life and work that require your full, undivided cognitive power. Writing a proposal, learning a new language, coding a program, developing a strategy. This is called deep work. Multitasking shatters your ability to enter this state. It trains your brain to expect constant interruptions, making it harder and harder to sustain focus for long periods. You become addicted to the dopamine hits from notifications and new emails, and your brain forgets how to be bored, how to be patient, and how to dive deep. The result? You become mediocre at many things, instead of becoming a master at a few important things. And perhaps the most dangerous cost of all is to your relationships. Have you ever been talking to someone who is also looking at their phone? You can feel it, can't you? They are not truly with you. They are not listening. This multitasking in conversations tells the other person, You are not important enough for my full attention. It destroys connection, trust, and the quality of your relationships. So, whether it's with your work, your hobbies, or the people you love, multitasking is making you less effective and less present. Now, I know what you might be thinking. But Mr. English, I have so much to do. I have to multitask to get it all done. I understand that feeling completely. But I want to challenge you. What if you could accomplish more by doing less at any given moment? What if the secret to ultimate efficiency is not doing more things at once, but doing one thing with your entire being? This is the philosophy of single tasking or monotasking. And it is a game changer. So, how do we break the multitasking addiction and reclaim our focus? Here are 3 powerful, actionable steps. Step 1. Embrace time. Blocking, the antidote to chaos. This is the most effective technique to kill multitasking. Instead of having a to-do list and jumping between tasks, you schedule every important task in your calendar. You give each task a specific, dedicated block of time. For example, from 9 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. You work on Project A during that block. Project A is your entire world. You close your email, you turn off your phone notifications, you put a do not disturb sign on your door. You are a laser beam, not a scattered light bulb. Then from 10:30 a.m. to 11 a.m., you have a block for checking emails. You batch all your communication into one focus session. This method respects your brain's need for focus and drastically reduces the mental cost of task switching. Step 2. Create a focus zone environment. Your environment is either supporting your focus or sabotaging it. You need to design a space that makes single tasking easy. This means physical decluttering, a clean desk, digital decluttering, closing all the tabs on your computer that are not related to your current task. Using website blockers if you need to. Notification annihilation. Turning off all non-essential notifications on your phone and computer. Every ping is a vote against your focus. The action step here is to do a focus environment audit right now. Look at your workspace. What are the top 3 sources of distraction? Commit to eliminating just one of them today. Step 3. Practice the Pomodoro technique. Train your focus muscle. If you find it difficult to focus for a long time, start small. The Pomodoro technique is perfect for this. You set a timer for 25 minutes. During those 25 minutes, you work on one and only one task with intense focus. When the timer rings, you take a mandatory 5-minute break. After 4 of these sessions, you take a longer 15 to 30-minute break. This technique works because it makes focus feel achievable. It's not focus for 8 hours, it's just focus for the next 25 minutes. You are training your brain, like a muscle, to sustain attention. The action step is to try just 2 Pomodoro sessions tomorrow. You will be amazed at how much you can accomplish in just 50 minutes of protected, focused time. My dear friend, it's time to let go of the badge of honor we give to being busy. Let's replace it with the quiet confidence of being effective. Multitasking is an illusion. It's a thief of time, a killer of quality, and a destroyer of depth. But you have the power to choose a different path. The path of single tasking. The path of deep work. The path of truly being present in everything you do. I truly hope this talk has inspired you to close those extra tabs, both on your computer and in your mind. If you believe that focus is the new superpower, please let me know by hitting that like button. And I'd love to hear from you in the comments. What is one task you will commit to doing with single tasking focus tomorrow? And if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel and click that bell icon so we can continue this journey to a more focused, efficient, and peaceful life together. Remember, you can do anything, but you cannot do everything all at once. Do one thing and do it magnificently. This is Mr. English Talks, signing off. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep focusing on what truly matters. Take care.